The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Montgomery County, southern Miami County, northwestern Greene County, western Clark County, until 7 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Northview, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Vandalia, Tip City, Huber Heights, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Fairborn, New Carlisle. In addition, Dayton International Airport, Northridge, Ginghamsburg, Thornton, Brant, Brown, Park Lane, and Medway are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 25 and 49, Interstate 75 between mile markers 56 and 68. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the